Millie, we've got exciting news. We do. The Fox 9 family is growing. We are so excited to share the news this morning. Hannah had her baby. This is Margaret Millie Lorraine, named after two of her great-grandmothers, just like Hannah. Millie was born last week at 8 pounds 1 ounce. Both mom and baby are doing so great. Congratulations to Hannah and her husband Dave on little Millie. I've been chatting with her this weekend. She says they're doing great. She's a sleepy baby, and she knows it probably won't stay like that forever, but she's going to hang on to it right now, so enjoy it.
Look at that hair, that dark hair, my goodness.
And she's like smiling.
Are you sure she didn't have that baby like 6 weeks ago?
You think you did say this. You go, I feel like that baby looks like she's like 3 months already.
She's got like the tubby cheeks already.
I know. It's so cute.
Yes.
Congratulations, you guys.
I think she's watching right now, so hi, Hannah.
What if the baby's sleeping? You're supposed to be sleeping.
Yeah, but the baby's not sleeping, and it doesn't really work that. You know,
yeah, no.
Come on, that's what I've heard.
No.
That's what they tell you.
Not being a parent, that's what I've been told.
That's what they tell you, and then you're like, I'm supposed to be sleeping. I'm supposed to be sleeping.
Sleep right now. Do it.
So very exciting.
Yeah.
Congrats, Hannah. Hopefully you're watching.